Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that red subscribe button and also ring that bell icon to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Mark. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make the coffin dance meme in Minecraft. That's right, guys, and you're only going to need a couple of things to do so. Actually, everything you're going to need is on the screen right now. So if you guys actually want to go ahead and pause the video so you guys can get all this stuff to follow along, go ahead and do that right now, guys. But let's go ahead and get to building this, guys, because I cannot wait any longer. So what you want to do is you want to find a nice piece of land so you can actually make this thing, and you actually want to go ahead and dig out a 3x7, guys. So make sure you dig out a 3x7. It has to be 3 wide and 7 tall, guys. Which it should look like this after you guys are done. So after you have dug all that out, you just want to go ahead, take your gray wool, and you want to go ahead and place this 2 blocks out on each side, guys. So there should be a 1 block gap in the middle and then a 2 block gap on each side. After you do that, then you're going to need your redstone torch. You just want to go ahead and place one of these on each side of the gray wool, guys. After you do that, you just want to go ahead, take your redstone and place it right down the middle, guys, right down the middle. And then you just want to go ahead and place it on each side, just like that, right there, guys. Now you just want to go ahead, take these, place one right there like that, and then 2 opposite, just like that right there, guys. And you want to do the exact same thing on the other side. So after you guys are done with it, it should look something like that. So after it looks like that, you just want to go ahead and take your carpet and you just want to cover up all this, because I mean, who wants to see all this? I mean, let's be honest, although it does look pretty cool if I do say so myself. But you just want to go ahead, cover all this up, which should be quite easy. It's kind of hard for me, but it should be quite easy for you guys. So just go ahead and cover all this up. Oh my god, it's floating. Is there a ghost in the building? But after you do that, you just want to go ahead and get all your other stuff. So let's go ahead and take all this out of our inventory because we no longer need it. We no longer need any of this stuff, although we will need the redstone torch later on. But let's go ahead and place all this stuff into our inventory, guys, because we're going to need all of it, guys. So after you get all your stuff into your inventory, you just want to go ahead, place down an armor stand, place down an armor stand, place down an armor stand, and then place down another armor stand. And now you just want to go ahead and place down your dark oak planks. Now if you wanted to, you could actually put these on top of it, which is actually pretty cool because then it actually opens up like a coffin. But if you don't want to do it, it's alright. And you can actually do it with any kind of wood, guys. It really does not matter. But I like the dark chocolate wood myself. But after you do that, guys, you just want to go ahead and you want to dress these guys up. So go ahead and put some heads on them because, I mean, they don't look right without a head. Am I right? Am I right? Then you just want to go ahead and put some leather armor on all of them. Because, I mean, we don't want them walking around without any armor. I mean, it might scare some people. So let's go ahead and put all their armor on. I like to use leather because it actually looks like the guys that was actually dancing with the coffin, which is pretty cool. And now all you have to do is take your piston, place it down on the ground, just like that, facing towards them. And now if we get that redstone torch, which I told you guys we're going to need, you place it right down in the middle. And then boom, they're dancing. Look at them. They're dancing. This is so amazing, guys. Look at them. They're having the time of their life. Oh my god. That is so amazing. Wow, guys, I absolutely love this. I absolutely love this. And now if you do anything funny, like an anvil drops on your head or drops on your friend's head, you can actually edit a video that actually cuts to these guys dancing. Which would be pretty cool, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, which I know you guys did, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.